Hello guys, today I have got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim headphones, and I'm going to show you how you can easily allow access to contacts and call history. It's available only in Android phones. At first you need to open the settings and here enter Bluetooth. Now tap this arrow near your device, and here, as you can see in this section called Use For, we've got allow access to contacts and call history. Info like contacts and call history will be used for call announcements and more info like this. So enable tap, disable tap, enable tap, disable tap. That's it. Bye.